Championship. Imagine Garnacho, Enzo Fernandez in one team. Yes, the Argentinians, the Argentines, yes, the World Cup winners, the young talented boys. Yes, as you are seeing on the screen. That is Enzo Fernandez, the passer. The whole of the Premier, nobody can give accurate pass more than Enzo Fernandez. Look at him. Yes, there is a reason why he played World Cup final and won it. Yes, Enzo Fernandez. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, just an update about Alejandro Garnacho and Christopher Nkunku. Garnacho is on the list of Chelsea. Yes, the possible wingers, Chelsea may sign Garnacho, Kudus, Gittins, Malik Fofana. These are the possible wingers on the list of Chelsea. And Christopher Nkunku is also on the list of Manchester United. United want to sign a striker, so for that matter, they're interested to sign Christopher Nkunku. And here's the issue, guys. Chelsea and United may do it in a swapping deal. Garnacho coming to Chelsea and Christopher Nkunku also going to Manchester United. It's just a rumors. It's just a speculation. Yes, nothing formal advance between Chelsea and Manchester United, but just a possibilities. Garnacho may come to Chelsea as a swapping deal or a swapping for Nkunku, and Nkunku go to Manchester United as a swapping for Garnacho. And another way it can happen is that Chelsea can decide to sign Garnacho by paying cash, and United also decide to sign Christopher Nkunku by paying cash, so that all these teams can balance their books, their PSR. Yes, as Chelsea did with who? Keenan and Gallagher. Yes, and Jack Phillips and who? Yes, I think Kellerman and someone Chelsea did that with. Yes, so that all the two teams can balance their books at the end of the season. So these are the possible transfers or the method it can happen. Garnacho coming to Chelsea by a swapping for Christopher Nkunku, or Chelsea sign Garnacho and pay cash, and United also come and pay cash and sign Nkunku, or a swapping deal for Garnacho. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this transfer. Should Chelsea go for Garnacho in a swapping deal, or should Chelsea go and buy Garnacho, or should Chelsea keep Christopher Nkunku, or should Chelsea sell him, guys? Or your opinion, your thought about this transfer. And let's talk about Nkunku small, guys. He is our striker, one of our strikers, currently our player. See, up to now, I'm feeling pity for Christopher Nkunku, because I can still remember the season Chelsea signed Christopher Nkunku. He was one of the best players for RB Leipzig and the German league. He was a joint top scorer, Christopher Nkunku, when Chelsea signed him, the season Chelsea signed him. So when he was coming, the expectation was there. Chelsea fans who were thinking, okay, now we get the solution to our striking problem. Christopher Nkunku is coming by numbers. He's coming having the shooting boot. In fact, he was doing well at Leipzig. But unfortunately, when he came the first season, things didn't work. Injuries upon injuries upon injuries. And this is the surprising. The season under Pochettino, injuries was off and on, off and on. He was performing. That season, I can still remember, it looked like he played only 32 minutes for Chelsea. And that 32 minutes he played, I can tell you that it was better than all the minutes he got under Maresca. I'm telling you. That season, he was doing well. Anytime that he had the opportunity, yes, to come under Pochettino and like he always deliver. He was delivering at that time. He was giving us the goals and the numbers. But this season under Maresca, the injury went off a little bit. But actually, we didn't see the Christopher Nkunku anymore. Like football is really unpredictable thing. Like you can't predict it. Very difficult thing. I'm telling you. The season he had free of injuries, that season everything went shambolic. And maybe because of different manager, yes, different tactics, everything changed completely. The dressing room, as I said, yes, he returned from injury, new manager, and Charlie, I still feel pity for Christopher Nkunku. I wish this season, if Chelsea can give him the chance to prove again to see if he can come back. Because see, Christopher Nkunku, the guy is good too. The guy is good, but I don't know whether the Premier League he can adapt to, or whether Enzo Maresca tactics, Or I just can't explain Christopher Nkunku's situation in Chelsea. Guys, I can't explain it. Let me hear from you about Nkunku failing in Chelsea. Yes, because he failed at that. He failed. He was banging in the goals at Germany. Chale. The intensity in the Premier League. If you are not showing the physique and you are not being, even if you are not strong, then you have to be fast on the ball. You have to be quick on your decision making. When you come to the Premier League, like Cole Palmer and Co, they don't have the physique part, but their decision making is always on point. And the same as Jack Phillips, he doesn't have the physique. And the same time, if Jack Phillips is on the ball, like he easily lose the ball. Yes, he don't know how to protect himself with the ball. And in the Premier League, forget, if you don't have quick decision making or if you are not strong in the Premier League, Charlie, it's not for you, or the Premier League is not for you. So maybe this is another reason why Christopher Nkunku could not gel in Chelsea in the Premier League. Yes, but still, guys, even if Nkunku leave, if Chelsea sell Nkunku, I will still love him, because once a blue is always a blue. I'm telling you. Charlie, I like Christopher Nkunku, but it didn't just work. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And information said that Bayern Munich also interested during January transfer window. They came, but because Jackson was injured, yes, Chelsea said they can't risk of selling Nkunku. So Bayern Munich is still interested. United also interested. So let's see during the course of the summer, if anything happens, guys, I will update you again. So please, this is the right channel for you for all Chelsea news and all Chelsea update. Yes, so please turn on the notification bell, hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. And let's come to Garnacho coming to Chelsea. Alejandro Garnacho. Guys, I am telling you that our owners want Garnacho badly. I can even tell you that they want to sign Garnacho more than Gittins. I'm telling you, Garnacho is in their heart. Todbole and Co. They want Garnacho. Since January, they wanted to sign Garnacho, but because of, yes, it was January transfer window. And this summer, Garnacho coming to Chelsea is possible. Garnacho coming to Chelsea is possible. Even information said that Garnacho himself want to stay in the Premier League. He want to remain in the Premier League. So, when you even look at the personal terms, it will not be an issue. Garnacho want to come to Chelsea. He himself want to come to Chelsea. Yes. Argentina partnership. Imagine Garnacho, Enzo Fernandez in one team. Yes, the Argentinians, the Argentines. Yes, the World Cup winners, the young talented boys. Yes, as you are seeing on the screen. That is Enzo Fernandez, the passer. The whole of the Premier, nobody can give accurate pass more than Enzo Fernandez. Look at him. Yes. There is a reason why he played World Cup final and won it. Yes, Enzo Fernandez. So, Garnacho coming. Some fans are saying that Garnacho coming to Chelsea, we can't take Garnacho because of his attitude, because of his behavior. And it's true. For the attitude there, I won't like it in Chelsea. And I won't tolerate it. I won't accept it any day, any second, any minute, any hour in Chelsea. That kind of things always destabilize the dressing room. Yes, that kind of noise around a certain player, bad attitude, it will come to a point some players will copy from him, or in a dressing room it will come to a point you see that Garnacho have his side and the other agenda people also have their side. At the end of the day, you see that things will not be working anymore. Your team will be losing football games. At the end, they will sack their manager. So this Garnacho noise attitude issue is really concerning. I'm telling you, it's really important. But one thing I believe from my Chelsea, since I started supporting Chelsea as a team, we don't have a darling ball. The only time Chelsea was to have a darling ball was when Eden Hazard was Eden Hazard. That time it was looking like our darling ball. And Hazard it wasn't that deep. Yes, Hazard was a player. If he wasn't in our team, yes, it was difficult for Chelsea to win games. But not Hazard running the affairs or directing like Chelsea recruitment process. If Chelsea is going to sign player A or player B, Hazard must have hands on it. It wasn't like that. But when it comes to the performance aspect, competitive aspect, winning games, that was the aspect Eden Hazard was important. But not directing the affairs. Or if Hazard doesn't play after the game, there will be nuance why Chelsea didn't play Hazard, or Hazard will come out on social media and be saying certain things. No. So in our history, we don't have darling boys. No. And this is one of the reasons why some of us started supporting Chelsea. For Chelsea, dear, if you have the talent, Chelsea will give you the opportunity to showcase your talent. Chelsea doesn't care where you come from. No. For Chelsea, dear, talent matters. Talent matters in Chelsea. So for me, this is one of the reasons why I think Garnacho coming to Chelsea, his attitude, or it can come to a point it will look like Garnacho is bigger than Chelsea. Or if Garnacho doesn't play a match, he can go to social media and try to say what and what, or his family member. No. For Chelsea, there no player is bigger than Chelsea. No player is our darling boy, and no player can be our darling boy. Look at all the legends: Eden Hazard, Lampard, and who, Michael Asian, Obi. You can't be our darling boy. Immediately you are no more performing. We'll go into the market and bring another player. And even this case about Garnacho, it's not about Garnacho is coming to meet legendary players in Chelsea, where maybe that players will be playing and Garnacho will say, okay, because these players are legends, because these players, they have been in Chelsea for some time, that is why they are playing ahead of him. In this case, he is coming to meet his colleagues, same age bracket. So if Madueke is playing and you, Garnacho, you are not playing, you are being on, that means you are not performing. If you want to play, improve, because Garnacho and Madueke, Neto, George, almost the same age bracket. They are all young players, yes, talented player. So there is not a case, like I don't see like where Garnacho will complain. I can't tell where Garnacho can come to Chelsea and show attitude. So for me, this is why I have the hope and the belief that if Garnacho come to Chelsea, he can show attitude. Because as I said, now we signed Liam Delap to come and compete with Jackson. And we're about to sign another striker. The wing small players are coming. They defend the same thing. For the midfield, I will not even talk. Almost 5 to 6 players in the midfield. So for Chelsea, if we give you the opportunity, make good use of it. Take advantage of any little opportunity you have in Chelsea. If not that, we don't care. We are signing players left, right, and center. Yes, that is maybe one of the advantage of yes, not being stingy in signing players. Yes, for Chelsea, look at Vega and Co. No, if you come and you don't want to accept the competition, but for Petrovic, oh no. I have to now. I disagree. I haven't agree on that. Petrovic should be our number one. For him, he show it somewhere. Yes, for that one, for Petrovic, yeah, no, it's different, exceptional. He's better than Sanchez. No, Sanchez cannot be my goalkeeper. I want to win the Champions League and the Premier League next season and having Sanchez on the goal post. Can I win the Premier League? Can we win the Premier League, guys? No. So, guys, Garnacho coming to Chelsea. Some fans are saying that because of his attitude. And for me, I believe Chelsea, we are bigger than Garnacho. Everything about Chelsea is bigger than Garnacho. If Garnacho comes to Chelsea trying to show attitude, we will send him to the trophy room and show him the set, all the major European trophies, in which in his entire life span in United, he never seen. Yes, so this is not a big deal. By the way, that is my opinion about Garnacho coming to Chelsea, guys. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Do you think his attitude really matters? Should Chelsea go for Alejandro Garnacho, or should Chelsea go for any other player, winger? Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. And my preview is coming. Esperance versus Chelsea. Our must-win game. Whether we win or play draw, we will qualify. Yes, because we all have 3 points, but they have negative 1 goal. We don't have a negative goal and we don't have a positive goal. Our goals is 0. Yes, so for them they have negative 1. So we are second on the league table. So if we play draw, we will qualify. Yes, even if Chelsea play draw, we'll qualify or win. And in this case, must win. I don't see Chelsea. If Chelsea go and play draw in this game, Charlie, Enzo Maresca, I will suspect him. I will adopt him. Even if some fans come out and say that Chelsea should sack him, I will not complain. Because, no. He gambled as with that Flamingo game. Now, look at, go and see what Flamingo, their website, the administrator is tweeting, posting about, oh, Chelsea, what, hey, Charlie, everybody want to play against Chelsea so that they can be in the limelight, so that they can use it for engagement. You know, everybody wants Chelsea. Yeah, when you play against Chelsea, like people see you, people listen to you. Yeah, so I see the reason why Flamingo, the administrator, keep on writing Chelsea do this, Chelsea that. No problem, Flamingo. You are lucky FIFA came out with a competition. If not that, where will we meet Chelsea? So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And as I said, my preview is coming about that game. And yesterday I gave you a game about, yes, Andrew Santos and Nicola Jackson, our best striker. Here is the video. Please click to enjoy it. Take care. Peace.